Hey, what's up, guys? I purchased this MacBook Air from Apple during Black Friday sale event. I still paid $1,300, but they give me a $200 gift card. This is a 15-inch, 8 gig memory, and 256 storage, midnight color. It also has M2 chip. My last MacBook, it was a 13-inch MacBook Pro back in 2016, and it still had those light bars. So it's been a while since the last time I upgraded my MacBook. The main reason I purchased MacBook Air is because lighter than Pro, and also I mainly use my MacBook for video editing like Final Cut Pro or browsing on YouTube, some simple tasks. The sales rep also told me MacBook Air will be able to handle all those tasks without a problem. The packaging is really nice. So this is the midnight color. I would say this is midnight blue. It's like a darker bluish color. First thing in the box is the charging cable. It matched the midnight color, and also this is a new material, TPU. It's more flexible compared with the previous PVC material. In the envelope, there is a basic instruction for your MacBook Air. You also get two Apple logo sticker, which match exactly the color you purchased. For example, like mine is midnight, then those two stickers, they're midnight color. The last thing in the box is a 35-watt dual power adapter, so you can plug in your phone at the same time while you're charging your laptop, which is quite useful. And this cable is MagSafe, connect to the MacBook Air. It's kind of like a magnet. It's kind of hard to pull it off, so it's pretty good. There are two USB Type-C port on the left side of the laptop. I actually tested out using a USB Type-C charger. It also charged the laptop. On the right side, there is one jack for the headphone. The biggest difference for me is there's no touch bar anymore. The only thing is a Touch ID on the top right corner. So this is something different. Another thing for this midnight color is, as you guys can see on the screen, this is where my fingerprint is. So it's already leaving marks on the computer. I'm not sure after a long time use, maybe the whole screen in the back is gonna be full of fingerprints. So that's one thing about the darker color. If you don't care, then it doesn't matter. But if you're really picky about fingerprinting, leave anywhere on the back of the screen, then I suggest you guys to buy a lighter color instead of this midnight color. Alright, this is pretty much it for this unboxing video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, let me know. Make sure you guys subscribe and give it a like.